Hey, playa. For the longest time, I've always gotten the questions, Josh, how do I talk to my crush? How do I start conversations? How do I approach someone with a level of confidence in what I'm going to say? And I figured the best way to answer those questions is to put it together in a step-by-step guide, which is exactly what I've done for you. I've put together an exclusive bundle that walks through some of the biggest challenges that you might be facing. Now, what's really cool about these 3 guides is not just the fact that I lay out for you step-by-step what you need to do, but you can also search using audio or text to find the specific problem that you're having.
Basic conversation starters that you can use if you walk up to your crush and you just...
Let's say you personally are struggling with something like eye contact. It's not easy to make eye contact when you're super nervous around a person that you like. Well, you could search that up in this guide and it'll bring you to the exact moment in the video that I give you the tips that you need to feel more confident. But honestly, my favorite part of these guides is the fact that you have direct access to me. You could send me a very detailed and personalized question and I'll respond back with a very detailed and personalized video response, giving you some solutions, helping you set up for the next stage of talking to the person that you like and actually getting them to like you back. What's also really cool is that each video has the transcript available for you to read along with what I'm saying, and you can even change my voice to a totally different language if that's easier for you to follow along.
Delante de ella porque le das esos momentos de vacilación y ansiedad de pensar que tal vez no debería.
The thing is, right now the bundle featuring all 3 guides is available at a discounted and exclusive price. So if you wanted my best advice at the best price possible, now is the time to get it. I'm just so excited to be able to share this awesome resource with you because I know it's going to be instrumental on your journey of being your best self. On that note, I'll catch you next time. As always, love and peace.